Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Filament Health's channel, the forefront of psychedelics. Joining us, the Chief Executive Officer, Ben Lightburn. Welcome back, sir.
Thank you so much.
Always a pleasure. So there's a lot of fascinating news coming out right now. Filament is co-developing with an exclusive license with Entheotech Biosciences. I want to kind of unpack this deal that you guys have put together, but first and foremost, who is Entheotech and what do they do?
Entheotech Biosciences is a Canadian company. They're based in the Okanagan Valley in British Columbia, and they're focused on the treatment of various mental health conditions, including opioid withdrawal symptoms and depression, chronic pain, and addictions. They are developing proprietary therapy methods, as well as a physical clinic in the Okanagan region. So we've been working on a partnership with them for the last few months, and obviously very pleased to sign and announce that agreement last week.
Yeah, it's pretty intriguing. Do you mind talking a little bit about what you guys are planning on doing within this partnership? What's the goals of this?
So the goal of the partnership, there's a couple of goals. First and foremost, Entheotech will receive license and authorization to use our existing botanical psychedelic drug products in their upcoming clinical trials. They will be using our PEX-10 product, which is our 25 milligram oral standardized dose of botanical psilocybin in two upcoming trials. In addition, we will actually be growing some of their proprietary mushroom strains in our lab in order to determine which ones can be incorporated into a custom formulation that will be made exclusively for Entheotech. This custom formulation will go into future microdosing products, again, like I said, made exclusively for them.
Awesome to hear, man. I want to kind of break down what you guys have done here from the deal structure, because I noticed as part of the agreement, based on certain milestones, Entheotech will actually pay Filament $525K. Aside from that, do you mind just breaking down exactly how this deal has come together from the finance point?
So first and foremost, I think we're just thrilled to be able to announce that we're one of the few companies generating actual revenue in the psychedelic space, especially with psilocybin. So that's one thing I think that our supporters will be thrilled to hear about. This kind of neat way, by supplying other clinical trial operators access to our proprietary drug candidates, that we actually begin generating revenue before any kind of legalization occurs. The way this particular deal works is, like you said, based on various milestones over time, we will receive a total consideration of $525,000. These milestones could be things like, when the clinical trial gets approved or when the first patient gets dosed. We can't get into the exact specifics of what's happening here, but think along those terms. By the end of their trial, we will have received the full $525,000 in compensation.
It's a pretty intriguing setup, I must say, but this has been awesome. I really appreciate these updates, and hopefully investors are finding more intriguing stuff to dig down into with Filament. Thanks so much for your time today, Ben.
Anytime.
And on that note, folks, if you ever have any questions, let us know what you think in the comment section below, because this is definitely a developing new industry. So stay cool, stay awesome, and I look forward to catching you in the next one.